Greetings. Today we are going to look at Trooks BTG1 gaming earbuds. You can get best audio and visual sync with these earbuds with their specific game mode, as well as low latency of 60 milliseconds. The battery lasts for 10 hours on a single charge. You can charge the earpods for an additional 38 hours with this pretty charging case of 300 mAh, giving you a total of 48 hours of playback. Technology is packed into the earbuds, from 13mm titanium drivers, cinematic sound experience, dual audio decoding, and air-res bionic cavity that increases bass effect by up to 200%. Let's take a look at the earbuds. Within the box, there are a pair of earbuds, an extra small ear tip, an extra large ear tip, a charging cord, and a manual. You will be able to enjoy a clear phone call with the dual mic environmental noise cancellation with advanced DSP system. Designed with German engineering, the buds and case provide good sound quality. This set of pods has a very good ergonomic design. It has a 45 degrees incline to provide the best fit. This earbud is designed to fit comfortably and securely all day long. The earbud weighs just 4 grams each. Tap the right earbud 3 times to enter the music or gaming mode. Enhanced gunshot effects and special tuning effects are used to identify enemy positions during gaming. Sweat and water splashes are easily handled thanks to the IPX4 water resistance and case. Green LED lights enhance the attractiveness of the charging case. From the date of purchase, the company provides a 1-year warranty on the Trooks BTG1 wireless earphones. Mandatory registration is required on Trooks website within 10 days of purchase. Trooks BTG1 are the way to go if you're looking for earphones that are good for gaming as well as offering great sound quality.